Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new app, Shopify app. That's a Farabiulder, and also we are creating a new group buying feature for your stores. So now it's public on the App Store, you can see, and also we have a cool thing for your stores. And actually let me show you on the app, on the storefront. So we have something like that panel on the App Store. So we just need to create a new campaign. For example, it should be winter winter sales, and we can select the one product or collection or all products. Now I will select some just one product or multiple products on there. So that's like that just for these products, and I can check and fix discounts for our campaign. So the important thing is we can set the timing, that's campaign, and also we need to set minimum participants per group. So that's mean if that's group 3, our discounts will be applied for this client, and maximum is the maximum per participants per group. So mean is we need to maximum participants we have that group. So, and also we have maximum groups allowed, so we can manage the maximum discounts and maximum campaign for that campaign. So for example, now maximum campaign will be maximum sales will be 20 for here. So now I will directly active set and create campaign. So now we have winter sales for specific products. Let me continue on there. You can see our selected product on there, and we have no any products, etc. So as you can see, we have campaign detail in there. So let me show you that campaign. How can I manage this group's components? So we need to go to the product page on the theme customization, and you can see our group buying section block on there. When you click there, we have also full widget and button model feature like that. You can use which one is good for you, and you can select primary color or etc for your brand. So font family, etc we have. So actually we can just show pricing or page original price like that, and also I recommended to use full page, and also we have timer and progress bar and minimal just progress bar, for example. So you can see like that. So we can continue with the timer and all section on there, and when we go to the there, let me refresh the page. So now as a customer can create a group or join a group. So for that this campaign there is no any groups for our stores. So we have some privacy policy and contents for it, because we have refunds, and also if group has failed, what will we do, etc. We have some questions, and we need to add something like that content. So now I will create a new group. So ns group. Now when I create a group, we directly go to the checkout page to buy that product, and as you can see our discounts applied on there, and there is no any public coupon code, etc. So we can continue with the something like that checkout. After it, you can refresh the page. You can see that's loading group buying details. So for now, group size is one of the 5 participants. So when we go to the here, you can see confirm that's customers. So when we open the different users, let me check again like that. So you can see our groups as a public, that's we can join that group, and also anybody can join that group. So we can use something like that, and you can join here. And also we need to sign in right now. So that customer can create a new group. So let me continue on there. You can see request, refund request panel on there. And when we go to the there, you can see our winter sales groups, and also you can see that groups participants, for example, like that. And actually that's enough for the coming new customers and new campaigns and new orders. And also we have refunds page, so our customers can request a refund like that, full cash refund or store credits. So for now we will continue with the full cash refund, it's not problem. Submitted the request. So you can, when you go to the here, we will, yeah, now you can see issue refund or then request. You can, stores owners can select one of them, full cash refund or partial cash refund, store credit, and everything is working full automatically. So for example, we can full cash refund or store credits. User can see that store credit on them customer panel. When we go to the orders, you can see like that. Let me check the timeline. Cancelled, refunded. As you can see, our group buying show our cancelled group buy. So we will continue there. You can see refunded page like that. Actually, when we go to the customers profile page, you can see that store credits come today for that amount. So refunded and store credit applied. So everything is working like that. So you can add our app, your store, and getting new customers, getting new orders. Actually, we are on your sites and we can fix your issues, and everything is working now. So just you should create a new campaign to new getting orders, and that's group buying feature is working very well. So if you have any questions, please let me know. We are on the live now. You can see like that apps Farabiulder group buy. You can see now all groups, and you can install. For now, for first 100 store owners, that will be free for up to 300 monthly revenue, additional monthly revenue. So after it, we will continue it like that. So you can see our pricing like on there. Actually, we just focus on your sales. We want to grow your stores, and also we will grow. We believe that thing. So everything is like that, and we are on your sites. We can fix your problems, issues, etc. So please let me know if you have any question for it. We can fix side by side, step by step. And thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.